Hey guys, did a little Valentine's Day theme and decided to have extra fun with a prop heart I had. Hope you stick around and check out how this look was created. Started out with NYX Professional Makeup SFX Creme in Fuchsia. Applied it with a makeup drop hybrid applicator. I drew this design out ahead of time, but completely spaced and applied the color around my whole neck despite the intended design. So yeah, don't need to do that, just apply it in the non-rose petal side. Went ahead and drew out the separation like I should have done in the first place. Painted the top half of my ears, and just used my fingers to quickly blend in the line. For the rose petals, I took NYX Professional Makeup SFX Creme in red. Started out with placing what would be the brighter petals first. Doing different shapes and sizes, I did use some reference photos. With NYX Professional Makeup White SFX Creme, created a lighter end at each petal. This side would be the part of the petal attached to the rest of the flower. Added more petals with red and even painted some underneath the original ones. For shading, used NYX SFX Creme in black, softly blending into the red. Added more petals after this, being sure to add the white areas onto each. The reason I went back and forth adding these petals is so I could get a composition I liked, and not have a bunch of red blotches and then later have to separate them into different petals. Then glued my eyebrows down using the glue stick method. Went and filled in all the exposed skin on the other side with white NYX cream. Back with the fuchsia color, applying it around the hairline and blending it softer where it was placed in the beginning. Powdered everything down with NYX Professional Makeup SFX Set Powder. Next, using the Collective Cosmetics shade Aphrodite's Kiss in the Bundle of Love collection. Shaded around my collarbone and cheekbones. Also putting it around my lips and around my eyes. Even use a shade to the outer edges of the broken area, out of that same Collective Cosmetics collection, this time with the color Stockholm Sydrome. Go over the same areas of before to deepen them except for the eyes. For the eyes, I took the Collective Cosmetics Bundle of Love color Sanguine Addiction. Also use the shade for the outer edges of the petal side. Apply the Collective Cosmetics Limited Edition highlighter in Primae Noctis on all the typical highlight points. To help really pop the rose petals, took red Wolfe FX Hydrocolor and painted in the outer edges of each petal. Followed that with white Hydrocolor by Wolfe FX. Really punched up the white areas from before, this time not blending it out as much. To pop the pink, I used Furless Cosmetics Loose Eyeshadow Pigment in Fraudulent. Only putting it in the same areas of the NYX pink cream color. Now for the illusion of the petals falling, just grab black Wolfe FX Hydrocolor and filled in the space around the petals. Created a cut crease using Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in Whiteout. Then put the Collective Cosmetics shade Lupercalia over top. And shaded in the outer corners with the Collective Cosmetics Sanguine Addiction color. To get some better shadows and make the petals look like they were lying on the skin, I used the Collective Cosmetics shade Tidal out of their Moontwin Palette. Back to Primae Noctis highlighter by the Collective Cosmetics. Added it in the center of under the eye and applying it to the tip of the nose and chin. With Aphrodite's Kiss, placed a few hearts across the cheek and shaded in the inner corners of the eyes. Followed by Suva Beauty Hydro FX and Scrunchie. Put this over the same hearts painted before, but making them slightly smaller than the originals so the first color borders it. Added it in the inner corners and created a wing. Also put a heart on the Cupid's bow area. Use white Hydrocolor again to brighten the rose petals, and add some highlights to the edge of each. Put on a wig and threw in mystery red contacts from TTDeye. Used NYX Professional Makeup glitter primer on the lid. And pressed the Collective Cosmetics highlighter for some added sparkle. Filled in my lips with the Collective Cosmetics Bundle of Love Eye and Lip Lacquer in Fortune's Full. Color my waterline with NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. With a natural sea sponge and Suva Beauty Scrunchie color, stippled it on my neck and along the hairline for added texture. Apply the thorns made out of super sculpey clay. And that's it. So here's a quick shot of the Suva Beauty color under black light. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had fun, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out?